Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply Vegetarian. I have recently been working on appetizers. Last week I just uploaded one soya chunk pickle. If you haven't checked the recipe, you will find the video link in the description box below. And the recipe I'm going to share now is a similar one with just a slight difference, and the name is beans curry pickle, which is equally mouth-watering and can be enjoyed as a side dish with any meal you prefer. So here goes the recipe. First thing first, we'll start with the sesame seeds. This one's raw, so I'll roast them first, and this is exactly 20 grams. I'll roast them quickly on medium heat, stirring constantly until they turn golden brown. Took me 10 minutes to get this light brown color. Do not roast further, they'll get burnt, and immediately transfer it to another bowl or a plate to cool down. I'll use this later, so keep aside. Now here are all the ingredients I require to make my beans curry pickle. Fresh beans washed, 240 grams. Slit green chilies, as it's a pickle. You can add as per your taste. Around 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, you can grate them as well, and half a teaspoon of ginger paste, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon or lime juice, 1 medium-sized tomato finely chopped. Tomato is optional if you don't want, but gives better taste if you add. Oil, I'll use 1.5 tablespoons. Any plain oil will do, but if you have mustard oil, that tastes better. Cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon. Turmeric powder, half a teaspoon. Salt as per taste, I'll use around half a teaspoon. Roasted sesame seed, that was 20 grams. Also 1 small onion finely chopped, around half a cup. I'll use around 60 ml of water to boil the beans. Now working with beans, I'll cut them into equal size, around 1 inch. Then I'll half boil them. Keeping them in a saucepan, and I'll add 60 ml of water upon the stove, and I'll keep them low. I'll not cook them completely, but I'll keep it half raw or half cooked. Until this is done, my next procedure is to grind the sesame seeds I had roasted before. I'll not make a fine powder out of it, but keep somewhat coarse. Give it a closer view. Here, this is how it looks. This powder is well done. I'll keep aside to sprinkle later. Back to my beans, let me check. The water is almost dried up. And the beans got tender, so I'll put off the stove and start the final procedure. Heat a wok or a skillet and add 1.5 tablespoons of oil. And as I said earlier, you can use any plain oil or mustard oil. Just keep the flame medium high. Then start with the cumin seeds first. Let it splutter. Mustard oil, if you are used to it, makes the curry pickle more flavorful. Once you hear the splutter, start adding the garlic first. Saute for a while. Then add the onions. Once the onion starts changing the color, then add the green chilies and the ginger paste. In goes the turmeric powder. So keep stirring for a minute. Adding salt, half a teaspoon. You can add as per taste. Then add beans, mix well. Then goes my chopped tomatoes. At this point, increase the flame a bit and start stirring. Please note here, I'll not overcook the beans and make it very soft, but keep it al dente, that is half cooked. I'll simply stir for 5 minutes just to remove the rawness of the tomato, and we are almost done. Now comes the roasted sesame seeds, the powder I had prepared. Just sprinkle over it and blend well with the curry. Takes half a minute and then put off the stove. Transfer it to your serving bowl. We haven't finished yet. The last ingredient is still there. So here comes the lemon juice. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons. You can sprinkle the lime juice as well. Give it a final touch, blend them well, and our tempting green beans curry pickle is ready to serve. Serve it as a side dish, an appetizer, or even a curry with rice and dal. I hope you'll definitely love this new recipe. Give it a try and leave your comment below. And also, if you like this video, you're always welcome to subscribe it if you haven't yet. Well, thank you for watching Simply Vegetarian, and see you soon in my next video.